In this video, we're going to be looking at compound measures. A compound measure is a measurement that uses more than one quantity. With the example on the left-hand side, I have a triangular prism. I've been told that the density is 8 grams per centimetre cubed, and I need to calculate the mass. Just taking a look at the units of density, it says grams per centimetre cubed. Another way of rewriting this is grams divided by centimetre cubed. So here we can see that density is the mass divided by the volume. So this will be something that I can rearrange later on. The first thing I need to do is work out the volume of this shape. The volume of a triangular prism is the area of the cross section, so half of the base times by the height, and then you times that by the depth. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 9 is 135. And a half of 135 is 67.5 centimetre cubed. So knowing that the density is equal to the mass divided by the volume, and substituting in the information I know that 8 is equal to the mass divided by 67.5, I can see that to calculate the mass, I multiply 8 by 67.5 and I get 540. Because density was grams per centimetre cubed, this will be measured in grams. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with the example on the right hand side, we've got a very similar problem but with a different shape. So I need to work out the volume of this. So it will be the area of the cross section times by the depth. R is 3 and the depth is 7. 3 squared is 9, and multiply 9 pi by 7 gives me 63 pi. Leaving the volume in its exact form, let's substitute this into density is equal to the mass divided by the volume. I know that the density is 11, and I need to work out what the mass is, so divide by 63 pi. Rearranging, the mass will equal 11 times 63 pi, which in terms of pi is 693 pi. Rounding to one decimal place, as requested by the question, is 2177.1, and, like before, since the units are grams per centimetre cubed for density, the mass will be measured in grams.